So I get asked a lot, what is the best way to prep your skin before applying the Body Coverage Perfector? Well, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have dry, clean, exfoliated, most importantly, oil-free skin. So you want to check the products that you have on your skin prior to using the Body Coverage Perfector. I'm talking your shaving cream, make sure that it's oil-free, your razors, make sure there's no oil strip, any sort of lotion, just make sure that it's oil-free. And that's the way that you're gonna get the most amazing long wear out of it. I'm talking 4 or 5 days. You're gonna have it be waterproof, sweat-proof, transfer-resistant, and that means in and out of the shower, in and out of the pool, whatever it may be, going to the gym, you won't sweat this often. So I'm gonna show you really quickly how I do it and how much I put on too, so you can really see the transformation between my two legs. You can see how right now it's in the winter time, they're pale, but I'm getting ready to go to a holiday party. So I want to start putting on my Body Coverage Perfector to have a nice glow. That summertime tan that I had is now gone. I want to get it back. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick dry brush with the terry cloth side of our mitt, just to make sure that it's extra exfoliated from what I've already done to prep my skin. Next, I'll show you exactly how much I like to put on to give that extreme coverage. And I even sometimes will do my own little W. It's upside down. For you, it's an M. And if I feel like I want even more coverage, I'll put a little bit more on. There really is never, to me, too much. So I have that birthmark, I've got bruising, I've got veins that I want to get rid of. So you can see that instant transformation. What you want to do then is wash your hands right away, because you will see it on your hands, but it won't stain like a self-tanner. So wash your hands with soap and water, just to get the excess off, because it will come off right away. That's why when you have it on your body, you want to leave it for a good 5 to 10 minutes before you will then do another little dry brush, which I'm just going through this quickly so that you can see. So you take the terry cloth side again, do a nice dry brush over it to get any excess off. And you can see it did remove a little bit of excess. Wait another 5 to 10 minutes and then you're ready to get dressed, and it's that easy. And if you can see the difference between my two legs and how it's given color, coverage, the veining is gone, the birthmarks, everything, the bruising, it's just a night and day difference, and it's a miracle product for me in my life. And even though this is a little too soon, but I know that I can put my pants down and go about my day and good to go. I hope you found this video to be educational and to help you understand the best way to prep your skin for the Body Coverage Perfector. Bye.